putting a big show on because it's the first stop of the race. Could you shut up? I tried to do an intro. Good evening, you're joining us in Bucharest, Romania. Strange place to start a vlog, I know, but this is the second vlog of the day because we was at the Europe's biggest spa earlier. But now we're going to the Gumball 3000. There's going to be a big light show on and everything as well because it's actually Bucharest's birthday while we're here. So there's a massive show, food stands. Gumball's the main thing what I'm going for. But
I'm just going for the food. It
should be a good day. So cut through us when we get there.
So this is actually Gumball's 26th rally. And they are starting in Istanbul this year and racing all the way down to Ibiza, and the first stop is here in Bucharest.
Strip search on way in then. No contraband on you. So I'm going to do a quick video now because as you can hear it's going to get loud. There's some big acts on today and there's some big people here. Them who know, there's DD here, the sidemen are going to be here, Vic Saw's doing a DJ set later, so we're going to have a party!
Good question, we played a lot of house music. We have Afrojack coming up soon. If you're looking forward to seeing Afrojack, make some noise. If you are looking forward to seeing EVE, the hip hop queen, make some noise. If you are looking forward to seeing Vic Star from the Sidemen, let me hear you make some noise, Bucharest!
What Vic Star, yo?
Ladies and gentlemen, we are just warming up behind the Kunle Gold. Sing it to me. If you're ready for some superstars tonight, if you're ready for the Gumball 3000 party, put your hand in this. Let's do this, okay, you ready? In 1, 2, 3, Bucharest, make some noise! You can't beat that, CJ, you can't beat that.
Tough crowd. Tough crowd.
I'm loving this energy.
Bucharest.
Well, Tom's still give us some action. Good lad. Here's some beers, lad. Yes. No better sound in the world. Yeah, boy. Nice colour and all. Good lad. Well done, 51. Definitely shows the luxury. Well done, 35. And the crowd goes wild for I love that. Nice on it.
They wanna know.
Yes, man. American Russell.